Hello, Wayne Vowles. Welcome back to our Profits Unlimited podcast channel. This is something that you really need to pay attention to, and it will save you potentially thousands of dollars by being properly classified within your company and how you should be classified. Coming to you live today from our Turfs Up Radio studio here in Louisville, Kentucky. Make sure that you're properly classified with your work compensation. We're going to talk about that specifically and give you a little background on how we found out. As I was sitting here at this same desk one day many years ago, and a gentleman knocks on the door and walks in, and we're not the easiest place to find. We kind of sit off the road just a little bit. So normally when somebody's, cold calling, selling, I give them the courtesy of a conversation. And he said, I'd like to talk to you about your insurance, if you don't mind. And I said, we're happy with who we got. I appreciate it, but we're happy with who we got. He said, no. He said, I'd like to talk to you just for a minute, if you don't mind, about your insurance. And I said, well, honestly, man, I'm telling you, we're happy with who we have. And to my left over here, there's a little window, and it shows out into our shop area. And he's looking out that window, and he says, do you guys mow grass? I said, yeah. He says, well, let me just show you on your policy where I think you're probably misclassified. So finally, to entertain this guy, rather than just throwing him out at the door, and I'm glad I didn't, by the way, I said, okay. He said, just show me your policy. So I walk over to the file cabinet, I get my insurance policy out, and he's looking at my policy, and he's going through it, and he's looking, He says, yeah, they've got you misclassified. I said, what do you mean I'm misclassified? He said, here. He said, see, look here, right on your policy, they've got you in landscape gardening. He said, you mow grass. You've got lawnmowers out there. He said, that classification code's nowhere on your work compensation policy. He said, let me tell you what you need to do. You need to, first of all, fire your current agent and hire me, and then we need to get you reclassified. And I said, I can't fire my agent. He said, why is that? I said, it's my sister. And it really was my sister. She had been selling insurance for nearly 30 years at the time when she started writing our insurance for us. But the reality of it is, regardless of how well you think you know your agent, you guys know that I travel across the country talking to contractors. And regardless of what I talk about, I always take a few minutes to talk about work comp classification because of this reason exactly. When I called my sister and asked her about it, she says, Wayne, I'm telling you, I've got you classified right. Well, I wasn't classified right. She dug into it a little further. And there is a classification out there called Parks NOC 9102. That's Parks NOC 9102. Take the time to pull your policy out right now and make sure you're classified properly. I don't know in your state because it differs from state to state, but I tell you our personal experience first with it. In our state, they went back several years on our audits and gave us money back off of our policy because we paid premiums into the wrong classification. If your agent tells you, oh man, that video you watched is just another YouTuber, I'm not just another YouTuber. This is personal experience. This is real. And I guarantee you, somebody's going to hit me up in a reply and say, you know what, Wayne, you were right. Because I've talked to thousands of contractors and done literally thousands of seminars across the country. And I always get at least one or two people from any market that says, hey, man, I was misclassified. So get that money back. Like I said, your state may be different. Maybe you get a year's premium difference. Maybe you get 5 years premiums back. Maybe you get none. Even if you get none, it's a great thing to know because you're going to be able to look at this year's policy and get yourself reclassified. Get the money back because there's a significant difference between your landscape gardening rate and your Parks NOC 9102 rate. So find out, pull your policy, look at it, and remember, profit's not a dirty word.